Introducing Easter Bunny and Pink Haze, the Scentsy Warmer and Scent of the Month for February 2015. Grab your basket and put on your Sunday best because it's Easter time. Add whimsical fun to your holiday with this hand-painted, top-hatted hair. Brightly colored and dressed with a playful purple bow, Easter Bunny makes a great addition to the playroom or a child's bedroom after the final Easter eggs are found. And let me introduce you to the February scent Pink Haze, a sweet confection of berries, nectarines, and vanilla laced whipped cream nestled in marshmallow fondant. These are both 10% off during the month of February. I wanted to explain Pink Haze. To me, it smells like Pixie, My Wish, and sugar mixed together. It is amazing. I love it. I can't not get enough of it. After this video, I'm making samples to send out to our customers. They have a little scratch and sniff, but I want to do some actual samples as well. Wanted to also show you, it has a, I don't know if you can see back there, but it has a white cord for those of you that are asking. And here's the lid. And I'll try to turn it around, but the lights are all around the back of the warmer. So just wanted to give you a review of what's coming February 2015. For more information, visit scentbars.com.